Now coming to the third problem in exercise 4.2. All of you watch the problem, page number 93. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Find the angles. Okay. Supplementary angles means sum of any two angles is equal to 180 degrees. Then they are called supplementary angles. Complementary angle means sum of any two angles is equal to 90. Then they are complementary angles. Supplementary angles means sum of any two angles is equal to 180. So we call them as supplementary angles. So according to this problem, the larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. That means larger angle is 18 degrees more than the smaller angle. So we have to find the supplementary angles. Here we don't know the smaller angle, so that's why let us assume that smaller angle be equal to x degrees and larger angle be equal to y degrees. Let me write here. Let the smaller angle be equal to x degrees, the larger angle be equal to y degrees. Students, as I told you earlier, supplementary angles means sum of two angles is equal to 180 degrees. So from that we can create a linear equation. So supplementary angles means sum of two angles is equal to 180 degrees. That is, here the two angles are x degrees and y degrees. That means, so x degrees plus y degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So this is the equation 1. So what is the equation 1 here? X degrees plus y degrees is equal to 180 degrees. We can create second equation from the given data. So if you observe the problem here, the larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. That means according to the given problem, larger angle is 18 degrees more than the smaller angle. That means here the larger angle is y degrees. So y degrees is equal to x degrees plus 18 degrees, because here the smaller angle is 18 degrees less than the larger angle. So if you want to larger angle, we have to add 18 degrees to the smaller angle. So here the larger angle is 18 degrees more than the smaller angle. That's why I am adding 18 degrees to the smaller angle and it gives the larger angle. So that's why the equation y equal to x degrees plus 18 degrees, and this is the equation 2. Now solve the equation 1 and equation 2. Solve equation 1 and equation 2. So equation 1 is x plus y degrees is equal to 180 degrees. We can write the equation 2 in the ordered form. Minus x degrees plus y degrees is equal to 18 degrees, because here I transpose the x degrees from RHS to LHS. Here the x symbol is plus, and if we transpose this it becomes minus. So that's why minus x degrees plus y degrees equal to 18 degrees. Here I wish to eliminate the x variable. So the x variables are here in the equations, x variables have the opposite symbols, that's why these two variables get cancelled. Here x symbol of x is plus, and in the second equation the symbol of x is minus. So these are having different symbols, that's why these two variables get cancelled. So x degrees minus x degrees. Now y degrees plus y degrees, that is 2y degrees equal to 180 degrees plus 18 degrees, 198 degrees. Here we need y value only, so that's why I transpose the 2 also. So that is y is equal to 198 by 2. So 2 get cancelled, 198 in 2 nines are 18 and 2 nines are 18. So here 2 get cancelled in 198 99 times. So that is y equal to 99. Now substitute the y value in equation 1. Substitute y equal to 99 degrees in equation 1. Here the equation 1 is x plus y is equal to 180 degrees. So substitute y value here. X plus 99 is equal to 180 degrees. So transpose the 99. X equal to 180 minus 99. Therefore x equal to 81 degrees. Okay students, therefore the supplementary angles are Therefore the supplementary angles are 81 degrees and 99 degrees. That is, smaller angle is x equal to 81 degrees and larger angle y is equal to 99 degrees. Okay students, just look at the problem here and take a screenshot of this problem and note this problem in your notes. Okay.